Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Tamilarasu, your go-to business coach for all things related to entrepreneurship, sales, marketing, HR, and much more. Today we are shifting gears a bit and diving into a topic that's revolutionizing the business landscape: additive manufacturing, commonly known as 3D printing. It has potential to be a game changer for businesses across industries, including healthcare, aerospace, automotive, even consumer goods. Whether you are an entrepreneur looking to disrupt the market with a unique product or a business leader aiming to optimize your production process, additive manufacturing offers endless possibilities. We will also address the challenges and the limitations you need to be aware of and provide a beginner's guide to get you started on your additive manufacturing journey. So, without further ado, let's get started and unlock the untapped potential of additive manufacturing.
1. Introduction to additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing, often referred to as 3D printing, is a game changer in the manufacturing landscape. It involves layer-by-layer construction of objects based on digital 3D models, which allows for unprecedented design freedom and rapid prototyping. Technology is reshaping industries and enabling innovations that were once deemed impossible or impractical. 2. The evolution of additive manufacturing, a historical perspective. Additive manufacturing has come a long way since its inception in the 1980s. Initially considered a tool for rapid prototyping, it has evolved into a full-fledged manufacturing technique used in aerospace, healthcare, automotive, and more. Advances in materials science and computing have fueled this growth, making additive manufacturing more versatile and efficient than ever before. 3. Types of additive manufacturing technologies. Several additive manufacturing technologies exist, each with its unique advantages and limitations. FDM, Fused Deposition Modeling, SLA, Stereolithography, and SLS, Selective Laser Sintering, are some of the most popular methods. These technologies cater to various applications, from plastic-based consumer products to high-strength metal components used in industrial settings. 4. Additive manufacturing versus traditional manufacturing. Additive manufacturing offers distinct advantages over traditional manufacturing methods. It allows for complex geometries, minimizes waste, and enables on-demand production. However, it may not always be cost-effective for large production runs and can be limited by material choices and build size. 5. Materials used in additive manufacturing. A wide array of materials can be used in additive manufacturing, ranging from thermoplastics and resins to metals and ceramics. This flexibility enables a vast range of applications but also presents challenges in material science, particularly concerning strength, durability, and finish. 6. Applications of additive manufacturing in different industries. Additive manufacturing has found applications across diverse sectors. It's used for producing medical implants in healthcare, lightweight components in aerospace, and customized parts in the automotive industry. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for innovation across the board. 7. The future of additive manufacturing. Emerging trends like AI-driven optimization, multi-material printing, and advances in speed and resolution are setting the stage for the future of additive manufacturing. These innovations promise to make the technology more accessible and efficient, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. 8. Challenges and limitations of additive manufacturing. While additive manufacturing is transformative, it's not without its hurdles. High initial costs, material limitations, and technical barriers like resolution and surface finish are challenges that the industry is actively working to overcome. 9. Additive manufacturing and sustainability. Additive manufacturing offers a unique opportunity to advance sustainability. Its waste-reducing capabilities and the possibility of localized production present an attractive eco-friendly option. However, concerns around energy consumption and material waste still need to be addressed. 10. How to get started with additive manufacturing. Entering the world of additive manufacturing requires some upfront research and investment. It's crucial to understand the different technologies and materials available, set a budget, and possibly undertake some training. With careful planning, getting started can be a smooth and rewarding process. Additive manufacturing is more than just a technological trend, it's a paradigm shift that's altering the way we think about manufacturing, design, and even sustainability. While challenges and limitations exist, the field is ripe with opportunities and innovations waiting to be explored. If you found this guide on additive manufacturing insightful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.